Could there be a collision of the planets? The planets in our solar system are in constant motion and their paths around the Sun are carefully controlled by gravity. While it is possible for two planets to come very close to each other, the chances of an actual collision are extremely low. The distances between planets are vast, and their speeds and directions are carefully regulated by the forces of gravity. This means that even if two planets were to come close to each other, the likelihood of a collision is very small. Additionally, the chances of two planets being in exactly the same place at exactly the same time are also extremely small. There is one scenario that could potentially result in a collision of planets, and that is if an asteroid or comet were to collide with a planet and knock it out of its orbit. This could potentially cause the planet to cross paths with another planet, resulting in a collision. However, this is an extremely rare occurrence and has not happened in recorded history. In summary, while it is theoretically possible for a collision of planets to occur, the chances of it happening are extremely low. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.